100 is one of the most exciting brands in the badminton world right now. It's used by players like Kidambi Shrikant, Rasmus Gemke, Callum Hemming, Estelle Van Leeuwen, and many more. 100 has got 8 different racket series. Each one is made for a different type of a player, and in this video, I'll show you what each series does, who's it made for, and which one is right for you. So, quick background about 100. 100 was launched in and around 2022 by Sunlight Sports Group and properly committed to the Indian market. They've signed Kidambi Shrikant, India's most decorated active men's singles player, as their flagship India ambassador in early 2025. They're also doing amazing in Thailand, Indonesia, Netherlands, Denmark, France, and other countries as well. And what makes 100 genuinely interesting is that they're using professional grade materials. They have the same engineering standards like the existing top brands like Yonex, Li-Ning, and Victor. But before going ahead in this video, this is gonna be my repeat. Please subscribe to my channel. Let's hit 50,000 subscribers. It really motivates me to create more such amazing and honest content for you guys. Just smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from God of Sports. Also, I'll be doing our first Q&A video in some time, so if you have any questions regarding anything, I'm happy to answer that in the Q&A video. You can drop those questions below in the comment section. So coming back to the video, 100 organizes their range in 8 series. 3 are their professional flagship series and 5 are accessible intermediate to beginner category range series. So the 3 pro series first. So the first one is the Nitrix. It's 100's power series. Head heavy, stiff, and used by players like Kidambi Shrikant, Rasmus Gemke, and Callum Hemming. It's Yonex Astrox equivalent in the 100 range. In terms of Li-Ning comparison, you can think it of as X-Force or Tectonic, and in Victor, you can compare it with the Thruster series. Next one is the Hyphonic. It's 100's precision control series, even balance and medium flex. It's built for placement players and people who want all-round racket. If you want to compare Hyphonic with other brands, it's equivalent to Yonex's Arc Saber, Li-Ning's Halbertech, and in Victor, it's equivalent to the DriveX series. Next up is the Flareon. It's 100's speed series, headlight and stiff shaft. It's Yonex's Nanoflare equivalent, used by players like Estelle Van Leeuwen for her mixed doubles game. In terms of comparison with Victor, you can think it of as an Aura Speed equivalent, and in Li-Ning, it is Windstorm or Aeronaut. Then the 5 accessible series. It's Battle, Atomic X, T-Fusion, Ionic, and Predator. These are intermediate to beginner level badminton racket series. Now let's understand each of 100's series in detail. First one is the Nitrix. It's 100's attacking flagship series. So who's this racket series built for? If you're a singles attacker who lives for court smash, this is your racket. Players whose game is pure aggressive power, and it's also recommended for doubles players in the rear court attacking position who need that maximum smash quality. In terms of the performance, smashes are the headline. Exceptional power, properly penetrating with that crisp, connected feel that comes from professional grade carbon. Drives are also exceptional because the ultra slim shaft cuts through the air on horizontal arcs. Net play is sharp because the frame is compact. Defense is good, better than the most head heavy rackets because the thin shaft helps the racket head reset faster. But like all power rackets, you do pay a small price on defense. It's used by players like Kidambi Shrikant and Rasmus Gemke. Kidambi uses the Nitrix 70 Venom, while Gemke uses the Nitrix 70 Volta. The Nitrix 70 Venom is the compact speed power hybrid flagship model. The Nitrix 70 Volta is the pure rear court power weapon. Larger frame, longer shaft, top half accessed for players who only want to smash. These both rackets are available on God of Sports. Second is the Hyphonic. It's 100's precision all-round control flagship series. Who's this actually for? If your game is built for placement, deception and rally construction rather than raw power, this is your series. It's recommended for double players who need one racket that does everything well in the every zone of the court. It's also recommended for singles players who want that exceptional stable control gameplay. The Hyphonic 7, this particular model, is the Pro Series Precision flagship model. We have also got the Hyphonic Laser, which is an intermediate variant, and both the models are available on God of Sports. I've also made an in-depth review video for the 100 Hyphonic 7. To check out the video, click the link over here on the top, or I have mentioned the link in the description. The third series is the Flareon. It's 100's speed flagship. So who's this series for? It's recommended for front court double specialist who wins through fast net interceptions and explosive net kills. It's also recommended for mixed doubles attackers who take shuttle early at the front. It's also recommended for singles players who win through fast court coverage and rear court counter attack. Estelle Van Leeuwen, one of the top mixed doubles players from England, uses the Flareon 700, which is her flagship model of the 100 Flareon series. The Flareon 700 is the Pro Series speed flagship, and there is a Flareon Typhoon, which is the accessible headlight option. Both the rackets are available on God of Sports. Then we have got the 5 accessible series. It's Battle, Predator, Ionic, T-Fusion and Atomic. So Battle and Predator are specialized in attack. Battle 900 and Predator 79 are the popular model. And then we have got the Ionic, T-Fusion and Atomic X, which are all-round rackets, with Ionic 100 and T-Fusion Tornado being the popular model. So guys, every 100 racket I have mentioned in this video and the full range from the Pro Series flagships to the entry-level models are all available on God of Sports. Lowest prices and pan-India delivery guaranteed. And if you're stuck between two series or two specific models, or just want to know if this particular racket is right for you, drop a comment with your level, your style and your current racket. I'll personally recommend you the right badminton racket for you. And honestly, that's what we are here for. So subscribe to God of Sports, keep following and keep smashing and rocking that badminton court.